Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome by a new video on my YouTube channel, episode 8 from the Minecraft series. Today I'm gonna build a bigger house for these guys. There are a lot and I already have some stuff for it. I accidentally, oh, that's not what I wanted. But I already made this video once, but it was not, it was not doing what it needs to do. So yeah, this is one of the biggest fears that I had, and it has come true. But this all need to get to dirt, and I have the dirt here. And here is gonna be the here. And here's gonna be the thing. That. Now let's turn all of this into dirt, and yeah, let's just do it. I'm coming for you, sheeps. I'm gonna help you, don't worry. Dun, 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 dun. This is so satisfying. Here, I don't know how to say it. This is so satisfying om het te horen. So satisfying to hear. That was what I wanted to say. Yeah, I'm gonna need a lot more dirt. I'm really gonna need a lot more dirt. Whoa. Let's get all this cobblestone, cobblestone, cobblestone. Let's get all this cobblestone. Hola, hola, way. Ah! That's not what I wanted. Get me back there. And I wanna make from the wool, because I'm gonna make some shears too. I wanna make a big sheep head. Right there, I think. No, here, right here. And I hope they are gonna enjoy it. So we're gonna need some pink dye, some black dye. I don't know how I need to get that. So I'm just gonna, yeah, the eyes are just gonna be white. No. The eyes are gonna be like a dark color. Like red or something. I think 17 is enough. This little blue right here. Alright. Like that. I hate you, son of a... Okay, I'm going to bed. Bye. Run. What the? Waarom stond je daar? Oh, nee. Nee. In de oceaan vallen natuurlijk. Alleen in de oceaan gaat exploderen. Gelukkig heeft niks gesloten. Sorry Tim, that I was talking Netherlands. I'm super sorry for it. Okay, so I want to sleep. I know how this creeper came in here, but I didn't leave the door open, so I don't know. It just spawned in here. So I'm gonna make a change. Even lighter. I'm gonna make this even lighter. Like that. Alright, so we are going back. Vanitas. Shears. Here. Alright. So now it's better. Shredder. Bro, they need to fix the bug with skeletons. Look, skeletons need to die when the sun is up. The skeletons are still here. It's so big bug. Bug. I'm gonna kill you guys with a shovel. Shovel attack. Okay, this isn't gonna work. Die. You need to die too. Why are you guys up there? No. This is so weird. Stop being up there. Can't do that. It's my home. Okay. I'm gonna let them free. And we will shear them and leave the head, and we are done. Dun 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 dun. Alright. Let's go to this. Not place that. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Come sheep. Oh sheepy, kom maar. Kom maar sheepy. Ga maar naar je volgende plekje toe. Fijn hè, een grote plekje. Hallo. I think I will... Nah. Never. How dare you? Some of my sheep are gone. Give me all your wool. Give me all the wool you got. But I think I'll use oak blocks for the ice. Look. Wool. The head is out of wool. That will make it. Yeah, I will make that out of oak planks. And I need some. Okay, alright. Which one is it? This one. This one. Alright. Like that. Now let's make the big head. It's not that big. It's like this. But it's bigger than us, so it is pretty big. Oh, wait a second. These are the eyes. It needs to be one bigger. Needs to be this. There you are again, you stupid creep. Get off. Right here. That. Alright. I know I have some more wool, so I'm just gonna take that. And here are some more sheep too. Ik heb wat lekkers voor jullie. Oké. So, alright. Now I'm gonna get the stuff and I'm gonna see you guys later when it's done with the building. Oké, dus ik heb al even ook geslapen, want het is inmiddels al een nacht. Hup, weg jij. Hé, wat doe jij hier? Geef me nog gewoon lekker even je woel. En ik heb net een paar stukken. Ja, ik denk dat je het wel ziet. Maar dit is de schapenkop geworden. Wie gaat er winnen? De skeleton. Oké, dat was een hele makkelijke antwoord. Dus dit is schapenkop geworden. En ik hoop dat jullie ervan genoten hebben. En ik zie jullie de volgende keer weer. Adios.